C Vision Productions takes you back to the 1950s to view classic train movements in Iowa and the Mississippi River Valley in Wisconsin in Corn Belt railroads in the 1950s. From the films of George Niles, we will view steam and early diesel operations on the Rock Island in and around Des Moines, Iowa. Then we view the Milwaukee Road as they move passenger and freight with both steam and diesel. We also get a chance to see very rare footage of the Milwaukee's gas car passenger route between Des Moines and Spirit Lake, Iowa. Then it is off to the Mississippi River town of La Crosse, Wisconsin, where we capture both Milwaukee Road and Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy action at Grand Crossing. Heading back to Iowa, we get a glimpse of the Chicago Great Western. Then we end the show with some brick and tile quarry operations in Redfield.